Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Hands. Today we are reviewing the Amazfit GTR 4. It also includes several exciting features we'll explore further. The Amazfit GTR 4 boasts a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. This display shines even under direct sunlight. Plus, it's protected by an anti-fingerprint coating and surrounded by an anti-glare bezel, ensuring a seamless viewing experience in any condition. Your health is always a priority. The GTR 4 comes equipped with advanced BioTracker 4.0 PPG optical sensor technology that monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress levels, and sleep patterns. It even offers 24/7 health monitoring and stress tracking, so you can stay at top of your well-being at all times. Whether you're running in the city or hiking in the mountains, the Amazfit GTR 4 keeps you on track with its dual-band GPS technology. The watch supports 5 satellite positioning systems, providing ultra-accurate location tracking even in the challenging environments. With a battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge, the GTR 4 is ready to go as long as you do. Forget frequent charging and enjoy uninterrupted connectivity, monitoring, and performance. Stay connected without needing for your phone. With Bluetooth calling support, you can answer calls directly from your wrist. The built-in microphone and speaker makes conversations clear and convenient. Where technology meets timeless style. Elevate your lifestyle, stay connected, and prioritize your health all with one powerful device. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us to watch more exciting and interesting videos in the future.